Welcome back to the channel where we discuss everything low code, no code, AI, and automation. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at an awesome new developer agent called HeyBoss AI. HeyBoss is an all-in-one developer agent that can get you from prompt to full stack app in just under 9 minutes. Yes, this includes forms, payments, AI integrations, a database that you don't have to pay extra for, and so much more. And we're going to be walking you through a demo today of how it all works and how you can get up and running for whatever your idea is. I think you'll be blown away by this tool, so follow along as we build out a full web page with booking services and payments and so much more in just under 9 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in and show you how this works. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. We've landed at HeyBossAI.com. And HeyBoss is the world's first AI-run dev agency. And from one sentence, you can get a full custom site, custom apps, custom games, prototypes, and so much more. And it's not just a front end, it's the front end, it's the back end, it's integrations, it's the database, and it's all under one hood. So it makes it super easy. No more paying for third-party databases sites like you would with Lovable. And all the integrations are baked in, so you can really get to your end product as quick as possible with HeyBoss AI. As you can see, you just sort of describe your idea, whether it's a website, app, game, or prototype. You can reference the design if you would like, and then you're off to the races. And we're going to do that in a second. We're going to build a fully functional app to show you the power of HeyBoss AI, but I just want to show a couple other things here on their site. So again, it's a full product build. It's not just the design, it's not just the copywriting, the integrations, the coding, the SEO, the deployment, the maintenance, it's all of it. And it handles everything for you one shot in under 9 minutes. And then from there, you can iterate on the app, the design, the database, the payments, and so much more. So again, super easy to use. We're going to show you how this all works and how powerful it truly is. This is the most powerful dev agent tool that I've seen, and I'm really excited to show it off for you today. So let's go ahead and get started. So I already have a prompt ready, and I went ahead and pasted it in here, and I'll go ahead and take you through my prompt. Make a marketing landing page for my guitar lesson business called Easy Strings. This is a fictional business, but the purpose of this is to show you the power of HeyBoss AI. With a booking system for customers to make appointments, they should also be able to pay for lessons using a Stripe integration. So super simple prompt. We didn't give it a ton of context, but I think this will be enough to get us up and running and have a beautiful site built for us in just under 9 minutes. So once you fill out your prompt, you can reference any designs if you'd like. I'm not going to do that here. All you need to do is hit start building. I'm going to go ahead and log in. We'll hit start building and check this out. Okay, let's dive into creating the Easy Strings landing page Nova. Initial design concepts coming to mind. And as you can see, this is really cool and different. What you have here are AI developers having a conversation back and forth about the design, the visuals, the database, the SEO, the infrastructure, the security, and you can follow along as they iterate through the steps that need to be taken to build this app. I really like how they have a timer counting down, and your app will be ready in just under 9 minutes or less. So you can follow along with this. It is super entertaining, and it gives you a lot of context into the decisions that the AI developer team is making when building your app. And what we'll do is we'll let this go, and we'll come back here in just about 8 minutes and see what this has built for us. And before we do that, I just want to show you this AI database and backend engineer agent. He says integrating a counter sounds fantastic. It helps user visualize available slots easily, enhance their booking experience. And then Nova, the AI designer, responds to that saying, exciting, now we should draft captivating headlines and taglines that reflect the fun of learning a guitar. Any ideas? And it just keeps going on and like this. So it's super engaging. It's way different than anything I've ever seen before. I really like it. Okay, so let's go ahead and let this finish up and see what happens. Okay, we're back. It's been just under 9 minutes, and check this out. We have a fully functional app that's been completely built for us by HeyBoss AI and their AI development team. We have a really nice logo up here for our fictional business called Easy Strings. We have a nice H1 and H2 with clear call to actions with very nice buttons that are interactive. If we scroll down here, we have 3 different packages that we could potentially offer for our business. Again, you can change all these packages. The AI just built some packages for us, which is actually really nice, and it wrote all the copy. Scroll down here, we have this really nice booking form. We have some testimonials or some social proof. We have more information about the business. Again, you can change all of this, but it did a really nice job putting this all together. It looks really good. It has nice visuals, it has nice icons and graphics and so much more. Nice FAQ section and then a footer at the bottom. This is a complete web page, and in one shot did this in under 9 minutes. The nav bar works. We can go home, we can go to lessons, we can go to about, testimonials, FAQ. All of this works. It does have account functionality and sign-in functionality, which I want to show you, as well as a multi-step form to book a lesson with this provider. So let's check that out, and then we'll show you some of the other features here in HeyBoss AI. So let's just say I wanted to choose this package here, getting started for $35 a lesson. I can go ahead and select this package, take a look at the calendar. It selected this package for me, and I can take a look at the available dates. So let's say I want to do a lesson on the 25th at 10 a.m. And check this out. We have a summary of the booking that we're doing, getting started package, the date, the time, and the price. We can hit continue. We could put in our information here, my name, my email address, my phone number, any other notes. We can hit continue again. It gives us a recap of the entire booking, and we could put in our credit card information. Now, we have not connected our Stripe yet, so this is a demo and a real application. It would be a secure Stripe payment form, and this is a one-click connect with Stripe. So you can actually just one-click connect your Stripe and then have payment forms right on your site. Super easy, way easier than any other platform I've tried. So go ahead and hit confirm and pay, and our booking was successful. We'll be redirected back to our dashboard. And I've created an account, but the account functionality is all set up one shot as well. Check this out. I now have my booking I just made Thursday, April 24th at 10 a.m. for $35. I can actually book a new lesson or cancel my lesson here. Okay, this is incredible. This was built for us in 9 minutes. Actually completely unbelievable. There was no additional prompting, no going back and forth, no setting up a database, no setting up all the payment information and the logic of the booking calendar. It was all done for us. Just want to point out, this also looks excellent on mobile, as you can see here. Just some quick overview of HeyBoss AI. We could take a look at the design and easily change our whole design UI with a one-click button. We can install third-party apps and plugins like YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, X, Jotform, Product Hunt, HubSpot, Google Calendar, and the list goes on and on. There's third-party apps here like OpenAI, which we're using for the copy, 11 Labs, Llama, Firecrawl Web Scraper, and there's so many awesome tools, so many ideas of different things that you could build with HeyBoss AI. You can sell by connecting Stripe. You just add your products, and then you have a payout dashboard. Again, super, super easy. They have SEO. I'm not going to get into that, but you can optimize your site perfectly for SEO. You can see all your revision history. You can edit. You can select elements on the page and edit those individually. And I want to show you something else super cool right here. As I talked about in the intro, they have a database fully built in. So you don't need to go out and use Superbase or something like that. The database is fully baked into the site. So check this out. Here are my tables. I've got my bookings table with all of my bookings here, the status of all the bookings. I've got my different lesson packages, so I can easily see these, export it as a CSV and edit them. I also have the profiles of the user. So database fully baked into HeyBoss AI, which is absolutely unbelievable. It again did this in one shot, one prompt. That was super simple. Okay, getting out of this here, a couple other things I want to show you. You could publish your site. You can connect a custom domain, update your open graph images, and so much more. So that's all possible right here. They also have an upload button, so you can upload your own assets. So whether it's an image, video, audio files, PDFs, and so much more, you can do all of that here in HeyBoss AI. You can also make your project public or private. If it's public, it could show in the community feed. So just be mindful of that if you want your project to stay private. And that's it. This is unbelievable. In under 9 minutes, I created a service here for my fictional guitar lesson company. It looks beautiful. It's completely functional. The only thing I have to do is connect my Stripe, but it's a one-click connect, and this would be working. So I hope you check out HeyBoss AI. It's a super powerful tool, faster than anything I've ever seen, and I love the UI. I love the interactive approach of the agents talking to each other while I build the app. It helps you understand what functions and thought processes are going in to building the app. And if you need to make edits, they even give you some suggestions here, like make all buttons clickable, implement online lesson capability with video calls. That would be super cool. So it actually gives you some ideas to add on to your app automatically out of the box. You can also just write your own prompt, like I want to add such and such service, and it'll go ahead and do it for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any other videos like this one. And be sure to check out HeyBoss AI.